Is the Modi magic on the wane? Now, just as Finance Minister Arun Jaitley returns after some grand roadshows in the United States, things are not looking all that rosy back home in India, because a global survey by Reuters has ranked India at the bottom of the league when it comes to business confidence. Even the Financial Stability Report prepared by an RBI panel says that business sentiment continues to remain bleak despite the best of efforts by the government.
It's a view many from corporate India also share. According to industry captains, what's bothering them the most is a slow pace of economic reforms, while rising bad loans and slow credit offtake have also been big dampeners. All this comes at a time when Team Modi is doing all that it can to drum up the India pitch. The sentiment shocker and how it could play out on the economy in the near term is our top story on Business Tonight.
It was the Modi effect that drove up business sentiment last year. But with each day passing by, it seems the Modi magic is on the wane. Business sentiment was the weakest among Indian companies, with Reuters Business Confidence Index slipping to 84 from 97 in the previous quarter. Across Asia, the picture is rather grim, with the confidence index slipping marginally to 70 from 71 last quarter. And it's a mix of domestic and external factors that are working against India Inc.
Any businessman who makes an investment sees what is my rate of return.
Right.
And the rate of return, however you calculate, whatever is the definition of rate of return, your profit or return will have to be more than my cost of capital. Nahi dikh raha.
From perceptions of how good or bad the monsoon is going to be to some developments in economies in different countries. For example, the way the US economy performs does have an impact. It's in a globalized world, there are multiple impetuses and impulses coming from all over, both internally and externally.
The biggest worry, it seems, is the slow implementation of economic reforms by the Modi government. Although rising bad loans and a slow pickup in credit growth are only making things worse.
There is no doubt that the business confidence, which was very high maybe 6-7 months back, is coming down a little bit because there have been some worries about the speed of implementation of policies. But my belief is that if you see a good monsoon, if you see a robust economic pickup, post-Diwali you will see a much better situation. And 2 years down the line we will not be discussing this.
But in rain gods, corporate captains trust. After all, from a fall in prices to a follow-up interest rate cut by the RBI, it all depends on the progress of monsoon. And going by early trends, there's hardly any room to complain. With Utkarsh Chaturvedi, this is Sriram Iyer for ET Now in Mumbai.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.